Hi everyone, welcome to Niga Med Guide. Today we will discuss anatomy and physiology of gallbladder and biliary tract. Gallbladder is the small pear-shaped hollow organ with high clinical importance. It lies on the inferior and posterior surface of the liver in the right upper quadrant and right hypochondric region of the abdominal cavity. Its length is about 7 to 10 centimeter, width is about 3 to 4 centimeter. It stores bile with average capacity of 30 to 50 ml. Parts of the gallbladder. Gallbladder has three parts. Fundus is the round blind end of the gallbladder. Body is the main part and narrow curved part is the neck that is continuous as the cystic duct. Structural layers of the gallbladder. Gallbladder has the same structural layer as the basic structure of the alimentary canal with some exceptions and modification. First exception is that gallbladder has three structural layers instead of four. Unlike the basic structure of alimentary canal, the most innermost layer is the mucosa that is made up of simple columnar epithelium and lamina propria that consist of connective tissue, lymphatic, nerves, and vessels. Next to mucosa is the muscle layer instead of submucosa. So, second exception is that submucosa is not present in the structural layers of the gallbladder. These muscle layers are made up of smooth muscles, and these muscular layers contract in response to hormone that is cholecystokinin. And when these layers contract, bile is secreted from the gallbladder. Next to muscle layer is the serosa or adventitia, that is the most outermost layer of the gallbladder. There is an additional layer after the muscular layer, that is perimuscular connective tissue or fibrous tissue layer, which consists of blood vessels, nerves, lymphatics, and connective tissue. Blood supply. Arterial supply is by cystic artery, that is the branch of hepatic artery. Venous drainage is by cystic vein that drains into the portal vein. Functions of the gallbladder. Gallbladder plays various important functions which includes storage of bile. Bile that is produced by liver hepatocytes is stored in the gallbladder. So gallbladder acts as a reservoir of bile. Concentration of bile. Water and electrolytes are absorbed in the gallbladder. So bile in the gallbladder becomes 5 to 10 times more concentrated. Controlled release of bile. Fatty meal stimulate the hormone that is cholecystokinin. In response to cholecystokinin hormone, muscular layer of gallbladder contract and bile is released from the gallbladder. Biliary tract. Biliary tract is the system of the ducts which produce, store, transport and deliver bile from the liver to the duodenum to aid in digestion, especially of fat. Organs involved or parts of the biliary tract are liver, which produces the bile, gallbladder that is present on the posterior surface of the liver, stores the bile, bile ducts, which includes hepatic ducts, common bile duct, and cystic duct. Pancreas is also associated with the biliary tract as pancreatic duct also join the common bile duct to deliver the bile to the duodenum. So final part is the duodenum, which is the first part of the intestine. Now let's study the direction of the flow of the bile from the liver to the duodenum. This is right and left hepatic duct that join to form the common hepatic duct. This common hepatic duct passes downward and joins the cystic duct from the gallbladder. Cystic duct and common hepatic duct merge to form the common bile duct that is about 7.5 centimeter with diameter of 6 millimeter. This common bile duct goes behind the head of the pancreas and joins the common pancreatic duct at the hepatopancreatic ampulla. It enters into the duodenum at the hepatopancreatic papilla, which is controlled by sphincter of Oddi or hepatopancreatic sphincter. If you found my video helpful, then kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you for watching.